Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the potential Blastoff airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now Blastoff is a native yield based launchpad and a yield aggregator which is based on Blast network, which is a L2 on Ethereum. Now if we talk about the funding received by Blastoff, it's around $600,000. Now let's move on to the tokenomics of Blastoff. So the total supply of Blastoff is 10 million, and as you can see, the community incentives is like 15%. Now out of this 10 million, I think 100,000 would be airdrop to users who have completed certain tasks. So I will exactly go ahead and show you how you can complete all of these tasks. And if you want to go ahead and read all of these details, you can go ahead and read their white paper basically. So it's a detailed white paper, you can go ahead and read it. Now all you have to do is you can use my sign up referral link in the description in order to sign up with Blastoff, as it really supports my channel. Now you can earn these points over here. So they have a point system. So if you stake like ETH to USDB, you would be getting some points over here, and then if you mint this FY ETH to FY USDB, you would be getting some additional points over here. And if you open some long-term future positions, then you would be getting some more points. So if we go over here on YZone vaults over here, so basically you can deposit your ETH in their Gen 1 yield vault over here. So simply put in the amount over here. Let's say if you want to deposit like 0.01. Now there is not much balance in my Blast on my MetaMask. I will go ahead and do this later. So basically all you can do is once you input the amount over here, simply click on stake over here. And as you can see, you will start receiving this BX points and OFX points over here. Now there is something called as a future yield minter vault, which is currently undergoing maintenance. So I'm not sure when this will open, but you can keep a tab on this when it will open. Now if we go ahead and check the positions over here, basically you will be able to see all your future positions over here. Now if we talk about the total ETH staked, it's like 93.61, not much to be honest, but it's currently valued at around 287,000 US dollars. The reason being, actually they have raised only like around 600,000 funding, and they are soon going to receive more funding, which I will show you in some time. Now with regards to the total FY ETH staked, it's 0, I think, because this future yield is under maintenance. So once it opens, we will be able to see this value over here. Now USDB staked is around $40,000 over here. Now there is nothing much to do on this Blastoff zone over here. Basically you can simply climb the ladder board over here, and hopefully if you climb in the top 10 leaderboard, then you might get some more allocation of the Blast zone. Now if you want to go ahead and purchase this Blastoff tokens, there is a IDO on CDFI over here. So as you can see, this is a public IDO which is on the first come first serve basis. Now this IDO is going to start in like 1 hour and 46 minutes at the time of making this video. So if you want to go ahead and participate in the IDO, you have to go to CDFI and participate. Now please note that you might have to do some basic KYC in order to participate on the IDO launchpad and INO launchpad on CDFI. So once you complete the KYC, you can go ahead and basically connect your wallet, and you can actually buy this Blastoff with USDT. Now they also have some other launchpad that are coming. You can check this launchpads over here. So there is Evermoon launchpad also. So if you are into launchpads and if you want to go ahead and purchase this, you can go ahead and purchase this. Now I personally feel that Blast has a huge potential, and Blast layer 2 as a whole should do good, and I don't think there is a airdrop that is done for the Blast network as of yet. So by doing all these things, you might be eligible for Blast network airdrop as well. Now the last thing that you can do is you can go to Galaxy campaigns over here and search for Blastoff, and you can complete all of this task over here. So these tasks are open, and if you go ahead and check over here, we are still under the season 1 of Blastoff. So as you can see, we are still early in order to go ahead and farm this. So simply complete all of this task over here on the Galaxy campaign. If you want to go ahead and purchase Blastoff, you can go ahead and purchase on CD5. And if you want to go ahead and earn some points over here, you can go to Yzone vaults and deposit it over here in the Gen 1 yield vault, and you can basically also trade in futures. So this is all for this video with regards to Blastoff potential airdrop. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.